Hello, Ancel was nice enough to send me a couple of their products. I had done a video on this BS200 Super Starter a little while ago, and then now I have this BM200 Battery Monitor. And so you can tell these are significantly different looking items, and so I want to kind of compare and contrast what each of these does. So the name kind of tells us what they do. This larger item is called an engine super starter, and then this little bitty item is called a battery monitor. So both of these can utilize phone apps for you to monitor without opening the hood of your car and all that kind of stuff. They're also both intended to be permanently mounted in your vehicle, one or the other. You wouldn't need both of these. So they both come with, there's a negative and a positive. So you actually, put that behind the nut or bolt on your battery, and then you would use the zip ties that come with this to find a secure place in your engine bay to leave this in there. On this one, much smaller, still has the positive and negative that you would install on the nut of your battery, and it comes with a little sticker that you would put on the back, so you could just stick that somewhere real close there by your battery. So I'm going to put the sticker back in here so that I don't lose it. Just wanted to point out that it comes with that. So what's the difference? So prices are going to fluctuate, but just to give you a general idea, this one could be in the $35 range, $25, $35. It's meant to monitor the health of your battery, so you could look on your phone, on a phone app. It'll work by Bluetooth if you're within like 15 to 30 feet of your vehicle. It would let you know how healthy your battery is, if everything is in good condition with your battery. So it's a monitor. It's just going to communicate to you how your battery is doing. This one is going to be at a higher price point, starting around $150, going up just a little bit from there in the upper 100s. And this is going to also monitor the health of your battery like this one does, but in addition to that, it actually boosts your battery. So whereas this one would just tell you, maybe give you a warning that your battery is dying, or you're on the verge of it possibly not starting, this one would actually is designed to get you out of a bind by assisting you in the start, by providing energy for you. So it does a lot. It does this all the time. So it's not just for a bad battery. It's meant to assist all the time to decrease wear on your battery and to increase life of your battery. So that gives you some idea if you're contemplating something like that, or maybe you have somebody in your family that can't maybe jumpstart their own vehicle, or you'd feel peace of mind if they had something like that. Or if you installed the Bluetooth app on your phone, you could monitor your family's batteries by putting one of these on different cars in your family and monitor them from your app, so you would know how the health of your batteries are doing with something like that. And then same with this also, you could monitor the health of your battery, see how much work this is doing to assist your car. So I'll put links to both of these items in the description, but I hope that comparison, letting you know the different price points and what they do. So just to summarize, this one communicates the health of your battery and what's going on with it. This one does that, plus actually assists you starting in the event that your battery would have been dead and left you stranded. This one will actually get it started for you without you doing anything, just by keeping it permanently installed with your battery. So I hope that's been helpful. Thank you for watching.